Kaya ayun lang mga sisi, nagpapasalamat ako na I'm so grateful with all of the blessings that I got. I don't need to wait for the things na kaya ko nang gawin ngayon. Before, sabi ko nga, when I moved to America the first time, the choices are very limited. The options are very limited for me. Because at that time, I don't have any connections. I don't have any choices in life. So whatever available in front of me, I'm grabbing it. So I remember, as I was saying multiple times in the videos, there are many days that I'm only eating once, as in literally once for lunch. Then, since hindi rin ako masyado, I'm not really the type of person who eats a lot, which is good. You know, I like eating, but it's just that I don't eat a lot. Whenever you see me in the video, mga sisi, it's just that Steven cooks a lot. But the thing is, if I don't eat the next day, I'm okay. If I eat like, let's say, mag-conge lang, okay lang din ako. So, ayan, pabalik na siya. No, galing siya ng grocery store. So, ako, okay ako sa ganun. Babe, I'm waiting for you.
Need food?
Yeah, I did, because I know you're coming back. So,
Eggs or sausage and eggs?
a bacon and... I want bacon. Bacon and egg. You want a sunny side? You want a fried egg?
Yeah, I can do fried.
You could give me one fried egg.
That's it? One fried egg?
One fried egg and bacon.
Two pieces or one?
Huh?
Two or one?
Of course. What do you think for the bacon?
Two.
Two. I'm waiting for you, literally. I said, I'll wait for you before I eat dinner. Because, you know what, when I wake up this morning, I watched this guy from Canada. He's a Filipino. He has probably around 800,000 following, okay?
Oh, wow.
But here's the thing. Those 800 following thousand, those is only earning like a few cents for every video. So that's why numbers in Facebook is not that important if you compare it how much you're getting from it. Numbers are just numbers if you cannot deliver money. So anyhow, I saw like a videos of him and his son.